guide you to change age on YouTube. So let's firstly go to the YouTube, and let's say if you are on your YouTube and you could see that your age is mistakenly an error or otherwise you need to change your age. So let's say if you need to change that, you need to go to the Google Chrome or your Google account. Let's say I'm tapping on this, and in the top you could find the profile which is yum here. So let's say that could be different for you and it will be shown with whatever the Gmail starting off for you. So let's say I'm tapping on here, and here you could see the Gmail. So from here that your age will be reflected based on your Google account birthday, what you have entered on that. So we need to change it on the Google account, and that will be changed over your YouTube also. So you need to tap on manage your account here, and it will take you to the page where you can access your Google account. So let's say this is taken me here, and in this you could see beside the home it is the personal info. So from here you could scroll down to find the birth date here. So you could see my birth date here. All you need to do is that you could tap on that birth date and you can change that. So that is, you can change that from private to anyone or otherwise anyone to private. And you, let's say I'm tapping on birthday here, you could edit your birthday and you can update that. And if you tap on save, that birth date will be changed. And this is how you could change age on YouTube. Thank you.